Interviewer will ask you one questions about like the ovals, so you can solve these questions like the if they will give you a string and they will told you to find how many numbers of ovals are present in the specific string. So you can solve this program using a membership operator. Let's learn how we can solve this using membership operator. Consider you have a like word. Consider you have a text. We can say a text. In text, a interviewer will give you a name. Like interviewer give you a name. Like interviewer asks you to write your full name, Solka, and he will told you to find how many numbers of ovals are present in your string. So let's try to solve using a membership operator. Consider we have a ovals. Everyone know ovals like a u I o, like a e I o u, a e I o u, and a e I o u. So we are storing all ovals into a single variable, that is ovals. Okay, let's, and we need to find the how many ovals are present into a specific text or specific string. So we are going to that count, we are going to count ovals present into the string, so we are storing this into a count variable. So let's, okay, now like the if you want to find the ovals, then we need to go through each and every character which is the present into a string. Like this a is a present into the string or not, like k is the present into the string, this ovals or not, like a is a present into this ovals or not, like the s present into this ovals or not, like the s present into this ovals or not. So for that we need to go a loop by loop, so we are going to use the for loop first. Like the for each character in text. Okay, each character in text, if we are taking the first character from the string, and what we are doing, we are using a if condition, and we are checking if that character, if that character is in present in our ovals or not. If that character is present in our ovals, then we are, let's print that oval. We are printing that oval using the f string, like that character is an uh, oval. The character is in a oval. Let's also if that characters is a present into the oval, then let's count also, count plus 1. We are counting the numbers of the ovals are present into that, we can say a string in your name. Okay, let's, the loop will execute till the last characters. Now let's get out of the loop and the print using f string how many ovals are present into your name. Okay, total numbers of like ovals are present into your, into present in your name is like count. Okay, let's learn, let's run this program and see what output we are getting. Okay, as you can say,